We will cook sauerkraut today, with paprika, bacon, and sausage. You will need sauerkraut, red onions, potatoes, sausage, bacon, lard, garlic, caraway, marjoram, paprika, and salt. Peel 3 medium-sized potatoes. Dice the potatoes. Boil the potatoes, together with 1 teaspoon of caraway seeds, for a few minutes, until they become soft. Peel and dice 2 red onions. Peel and slice 2 cloves of garlic. Slice 1 large cooked sausage. You can use any type of sausage. Drain 1 cup of sauerkraut, and cut the sauerkraut into smaller pieces. Heat up a pan, and add a little bit of lard. Add the chopped onions, the diced bacon, and the sliced sausage. Fry everything for a few minutes, until the onions are soft, and the bacon pieces are fully cooked. Then, add the sliced garlic, and fry everything for a bit longer, until the garlic softens. Add 1 tablespoon of paprika. Stir the paprika in. Add the sauerkraut straight away. Add the diced potatoes. Add a bit of salt, and 1 teaspoon of marjoram. Fry everything for only about a minute, and then, take the pan off the hob. Serve the paprika sauerkraut on its own, or with a little bit of soured cream on top.